Hey, what's up guys? This is Joe. Welcome back to another episode of On Fire Fishing Hawaii. This episode I got some footage of the Kahana Bay Papio Fever Fishing Tournament, which is a trolling tournament for Papio here in Hawaii. It's an annual thing. It's an awesome event. Kind of invite only in a way. We actually, On Fire fishing team, placed first place a couple years ago. And last year, I think we got like largest Ulua or something. But it's always lucky luck, right? It's better lucky than good. So, wish us luck and let's go holo holo. Alright, Kahana Bay Papio Fishing Tournament. A special thanks goes out to Vanny Kamaka'ala and his daughter Kayla Kamaka'ala and their whole family for putting this on and giving back to the community. There's no way you could do it without them. And also to all the sponsors. I know I probably can't mention them all, but Ching's Uncles and Noki and all of them. Right here, we're heading out of the bay. It was kind of bumpy and rough. That was your man on the left, the man, the myth, the legend, Ron Johnson. On the right would be New Kaiapo. This is an old Station 15 firefighting crew. We're just trolling down the ledge, going down Hula side, right behind the reefs, not trying to die, stay out of the waves and the breakers. And then boom, who's on? Your man, Cap Ron Johnson. This guy could find fish anywhere, I'm telling you. So he's just working it in. You know, we need fish to weigh, so anything counts. The minimum size was 12 inches for the tournament. Only 3 fish that you can weigh in this tournament. Only 1 winner per event. Alright, here we go. Bring it in. Bring it in. Nice. Try net it for you. Oh, this is the critical part because this is where everybody loses it, right by the boat. Nice, Cap. Money. And actually, we ended up catching and losing couple more. I think we had like a 4-pounder but came off, and then so we didn't got too much footage, but I'll give you this some of the recaps or some of the highlights of the weigh-ins. We didn't really stay to the end because we had to go, but enjoy the rest of the footage of the weigh-ins.
Yes, sir. Team hello. Action, that style. Hey, style. That one wasn't from the freezer, huh? Nah.
Where's the orange?
Oh. Do we have the orange marker over here? 8.5, biggest Papio so far. Oh. Right now. Yeah, Jake. East side. Plus Hawaiian. Should have dumped the Corona inside a little bit. Add some water. Hey, bring him out. Oh, Kalau, dragging him out, bro. Heavy the bag, cuz. Hey, Kalau, no, that's all ice, huh? Yeah, Kalau got a little inside there. Kalau. Hey. Kalau. I'm not gonna do it with you. I'm not gonna do it with you. If you win the biggest solo today, we're going Lelis tonight. Yeah. On you. Oh. Yeah, that's a 9 point guarantee.
Holy smokes.
Oh, Kalau.
14.
14.42 pounds. Yeah, hello.
Wow.
Team Red Raiders, you guys go down. Yeah. Oh my God. 7.34 pounds.
Yeah.
All right.
I knew we got him.
On fire. Yes, sir. Good job, Team on Fire. Right on. Where's Uncle Ron at?
What on the table?
Hey, Uncle Ron, you hiding from me? Uncle Ron, thank you for coming out. I know you had a far drive, yeah? All right, Team on Fire, thank you.
Damn.
11.79 pounds. Right on, babe. All right. You know what, Uncle Herb, just throw that bag ice. Oh, freaking Uncle Herb.
I see some tails. Yeah.
Hammer time. 8.3.
Wow.
Cheeky, still in contention. Oh, 15.17 total weight.
Wow.
Oh, Uncle Herb, you just pulling on all the stops, huh? Oh, you bought it? Which store? Next year I go to the same store.
Steve, what you got? What you got?
Online. Oh, snap.
Some fish right there.
Woo, online. About to be offline right now.
Dang.
Oh, close. Yes, sir. That one is a game winner right there.
How much? How much? Woo!
Check. You know what you should have done? Check. 4.01. Yep. Team online. Hey, online, good job.
Chee! Thank you all again for watching another episode of On Fire Fishing Hawaii. Remember, in a tournament, we all want to win, but in the end, it's all about camaraderie and fellowship between fishermen and women and giving back to the community. A lot of these fish were all donated to the kapuna in the community. So remember, fish safe and fish with aloha. Please like, share, and subscribe. Mahalo.